guys? Welcome back to Herbs class for 5 more minutes of math. Oh yeah. So today we're talking functions. Oh yeah. So a function is like a special type of relationship in math. So let's get to talking about relationships in math, right? So anytime you have an equation that has two different variables, like we're used to x's and y's, that's a relationship. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is an equation. We know this to be an equation of a line, but this equation is really a relationship between x's that I would put into this equation and y's that I would get out of this equation, right? So let's take a better look at this relationship. Okay, so what I have here is like a table of values, right? So here I have my x values that I would put into this. These x values would then be my inputs, exactly right. And so I would take these x's one at a time and enter them in here for x. Good, exactly like that. I would take that one, enter it in for x, and then I would get out a y value. Hence the relationship between x and y, right? So I would just continue to do this for the rest of them. Right, just like that. And then I can get a better idea of the relationship between x and y. But notice every single time I put in a value of x, I got out a value of y, which gave me an ordered pair, the relationship between x and y. Okay, so we're a little bit past y equals 3x minus 2. This is an equation, but you might see it from now on looking like this. Exactly right. So now all we're doing is we're changing the name of our outputs. Now instead of using y, we're using f of x. That's what this means. F of x means there's a function named f using the variable x. Yeah, exactly right. Now it doesn't always have to be f of x. It could be a function named g which uses the variable t. Yeah, exactly right. And that would look just like this. Now notice over here how my inputs change. I'm entering in values of t and I'm getting out the function value with that input. Yes, so this is a relationship, but let's talk about what makes a relationship a function. Good. Okay, so let me explain. A function is a math relationship where every single input I put in, every single x value I put in has one unique y to go with it. Yeah, or remember, y could also be now f of x. Yeah, so whatever I put in, I can only get one number out. A picture would look something like this. Yeah, good, exactly right. Notice, I'm putting one input in, I'm getting one output out. Let's say, for example, I use the x value of 2. Yeah, exactly right. And when I put in an x value into my equation, my relationship, whatever, I put in an x value into it, I get out a y value of 4, then I'm good. I put in an x value, I got out one y value. Well, let's say I put in an x value and I got out, 2 different y values? Wait a minute, I put in one x and I got out 2 y's? Oh no, bad business, not a function. It's exactly right. Every x that I put in can only have one y value coming out to go with it. Yeah. Try to practice videos, man. I'm gonna make it all make sense there. I'll see you over there. Oh yeah.